I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Audiolab weekly icon settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about Audiolab. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about Audiolab and then you will update your app. If you find update here in this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and your